Well, if you're thinking about plastic surgery as a part of the new year and new you want to make sure that you're getting the right kind of plastic surgery, and the person that's doing it knows exactly what they're doing. And we learned a lot about that. Dr. Jason Lichten told us more. Well, Dr. Lichten, good to see you again in Central High Plastic Surgery. You know, it's that time of year, new year, new you, and a lot of people are thinking about, obviously, getting some work done. And I know your motto here is where art and surgery meet. What does that mean?
So to me, I think, plastic surgery is about what bothers you for you, not for anybody else. Everyone talks about that beginning of the year, new year, new you. I want the same you, just better. I want really more that the inside's going to match the outside. What I think is best about plastic surgery, what's good plastic surgery, good cosmetic surgery, is what makes someone feel that their outside matches the way they feel on the inside.
Facial rejuvenation, what's available? What can be done there?
There's so many options. I mean, I think that the most important thing is realizing what the problem is. People often come in and say, I don't like this line. I want Botox for this spot on the lower part of my face. Botox is the most popular thing, most common thing that we see for facial rejuvenation. Lasts for a few months, simple, easy procedure to do. You really need to make sure that the person who's injecting understands the anatomy and what they're trying to accomplish.
Now, I know a lot of mommies out there that after they've had a couple children, that they have some areas that they're concerned about. What do you have for that?
Well, we love our kids, but unfortunately the physical signs of pregnancy and childbirth, in terms of what it can do in terms of stretching out the skin, probably one of the most common surgeries we see are women who are done having kids, who want to do a tummy tuck. The mommy makeover type procedures are about balance and harmony. It's about getting the stretched out area of the midsection, the areas where we tend to hold on to fat into the thighs, or the changes in the breast and the upper body, to get those to balance.
Sounds great. Well, Doc, we're going to leave it there. Give us some contact information where people can learn a little bit more.
Absolutely. The best thing is to go to the website, which is ohioplastic.com. You can also call us in the office in Lancaster at 740-653-5064, or the Columbus office is 614-862-8008.
Sounds great. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you.